Hey YouTube, welcome to the eLab, the channel for beginner and intermediate electronic hobbyists. And today we're going to be doing the tilt alarm. Okay, let's get started. Today we're going to be doing the tilt alarm, and we're going to need a breadboard. We'll need a tilt switch. We'll need an active buzzer. And where'd my little transistor go? And an NPN transistor. And of course some wires and a 9-volt battery will be our power for today's circuit. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place the tilt switch. It does not have a polarity on it, so it can go any way you want. Place that on the board, like so. Now I'm going to be placing my positive and negative in the corner of the breadboard, so I'll be bringing my wires from there, and at the end I'll tie in the 9-volt battery to the corner. So let's bring from the corner where our positive was going to go and bring that to one leg of the tilt switch. Should look like that. And then I'm going to place the transistor on the board. Now I like to have the flat side of the transistor facing me. It just helps me remember the leg out of the transistor. So there we go. There you got the tilt switch, the transistor. Now I'm going to go from the other leg of the tilt switch out to the in of the base, which is the middle leg of the NPN transistor. So it should look like that. Now the emitter of the transistor will go to negative. So it should look like that. Now we're going to take the active buzzer. The active buzzer does have a polarity on it, and it is marked. I'm not sure if you can see that on the camera, but it is marked with a plus on the positive side of the buzzer. So we're going to take the negative side of the buzzer and place that on the third leg of the transistor, the collector side. So let's see, make sure I get that lined up right. So it should look like that now. So let's get a quick run through. We got a positive going to the tilt switch, and then out from the tilt switch to the middle leg of the transistor, which is the base. And then we have the emitter from the transistor going to the negative input. And then we have the active buzzer negative side going to the collector of the transistor. Now we're going to make one more wire from the active buzzer, which is the positive, and we're going to bring that to the positive of our input. So there we go. That's your circuit right there. Now I'm going to hook up my positive and negative from my 9-volt battery. Now, if I tilt this or let it fall back, the alarm should go on. And it does. So this is a good circuit. I want you to write in the comments what you would use this circuit for. Any good ideas you think that a buzz alarm would work. And any other ideas if you took out the buzzer alarm or added a light to the circuit, flashing light. Or you can add a relay to it to when this tips over, it can actually shut a circuit off. It could be used for a heater circuit. If the heater tips over, then it will shut the electricity off on the heater. All kinds of things you can do with a circuit like this. Thank you for watching the eLab. And as always, our schematics will be on our website for free at e-labinfo.com. And thank you again for watching. See you next time on the eLab.